Hey everyone, welcome to Joyful Kitchen where we just enjoy food. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly clean and prep your fish for cooking. So I have some red snapper here, and one way to tell that your fish is fresh when you're buying it is to look at the eyes to make sure that they are clear. So these came scales off, and you can see that some of the work is already done, but being as it's prepared on a commercial scale or level, you know that there's still a little bit more work for us to do. So I'm going to start by removing the fish from the package. And I don't know if I mentioned earlier that red snapper is my favorite fish. Okay, so when cleaning fish, the first thing that I like to do is to remove the tail and the fins, because of course that part is not edible, so we don't need it. And removing these first helps me to easily remove any of the excess scale that's left on the fish. So now that the tails and the fins have been removed, the next thing I like to do is to just and then I'm going to pour about a quarter cup of vinegar. So normally when I'm cleaning seafood, in particular fish, I prefer to use lime or lemon, but I forgot to get that today, so I'm just going to make do with the vinegar. I'm going to take my small knife and then run it along my fish. And as I mentioned earlier, this is one of the reasons why I like to remove all the extra fin, because it makes it easier for me to remove the scales. And you want to make sure that you get down the tail end here. And as you can see, there's quite a few scales that's left behind. Make sure that you go underneath these places where you have the extra scales that may have been missed. Okay, so the next thing that I like to do is to just open up the fish, and any of this leftover gut that's left behind in the fish, I just take my knife and just rip that out. And all the black stuff that's left in the head, you want to go ahead and take that out, because you don't want, when you're eating or enjoying your fish, you're consuming this. Alright, so now that I'm finished removing all the guts and scales and all of that, I'm going to give that a second wash with vinegar water. And what I like to do also is to run it under, or wash it under running water, in order to remove any of the trapped scales. And of course, the sink and utensils are cleaned and sanitized after. So now that our fish is nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and score the skin by putting 2 slits on each side. and this helps our seasoning to penetrate the fish. And because I use vinegar to clean the fish, the eye color gets cloudy. And the last thing that I like to do is to just use some paper towel and pat them dry before I season them. And there you have it, step-by-step instructions on how to properly clean and prepare your fish before cooking. Hope you found this video to be helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. I post new videos every week and I'd love to have you for the next one. You can follow me on all socials, which are listed in the description box below. And until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.